So if you're 40 plus and you're wondering to yourself, how am I going to get back into the gym? I'm really not fit enough. Or you have a few little niggles in your body, well, give me a minute and I'll help you. One of the most important things that people don't really take into account when it comes to doing Pilates is to get your setup right, and especially when it means lying down properly on the ground, which sounds like it's a pretty normal thing to do, but there is a knack to it. So first of all, when you're on your back, this is a neutral spine where you can put something in underneath your back. You want to go into imprint. And that doesn't mean that you're a little duckling that now is imprinted on a human being. It means that you want to get each one of your vertebrae from the top of your rib cage all the way down to your coccyx, making its own little dent into the mat the whole way down. And then when you've got that, you feel like you're zipping up through here, pulling the ribs towards the hip bones. Remember those days we used to lie on the bed with your jeans and try and pull your zip up with a hanger because the pants were too tight? That's what we're looking for. And then you will release it back to neutral spine. Easy, but don't forget to do it first. Thank you for giving me a minute. And if you liked it, well, please do hit like and subscribe. And don't feel shy. Comment. Let us know what you'd like to see, how we can help you. And don't forget that soon, if you do like it enough, I'll be asking you to give me 15 minutes. See you later.